Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will share my experience with Logitech K380 keyboard and M350 mouse. I'm using this keyboard and mouse for almost more than 2 years and my experience has been so comfortable. Since I was looking for a multi-device keyboard and mouse to connect my work laptop as well as my personal laptop with one keyboard and mouse, so I ended up getting these after doing the research and I do not regret it. It is so convenient to connect from one device to other, and you just have to press the number 1, 2 or 3 and it will connect to the paired devices. It is compatible with Mac, Windows, iPad and even your mobile phone, and you can pair up to 3 devices. It connects via Bluetooth and I did not face any connection issues so far, and even the battery inside was provided in the box, and even after using it for more than 2 years daily, I have not changed the batteries. I have connected these to my work and personal laptop, also to my phone, to quickly reply to the text while I'm working. The keyboard can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, and the mouse you can connect one device via Bluetooth and one with provided receiver. It will take some time for you to get used to with it due to its size, but after using it for a few days you'll be comfortable. Also, this keyboard and mouse is very easy to carry since it is very lightweight and slim in design, and this mouse you can even carry it in your pocket. So after I'm done with my work, I just switch off the keyboard and mouse, which saves its battery. So I've shared my experience with Logitech K380 keyboard and M350 mouse after using it for 2 years. So if you have any questions, you can drop a comment and I will be happy to answer. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.